Are you facing the load failed error while trying to play WWE 2K24 on your PC, PS5, or Xbox? Don't worry, solutions are at hand. First, ensure your game is up to date with the latest patches and updates, as developers often release fixes for such issues. A simple restart of your device might also help in resolving many gaming issues, so try restarting your PC, PS5, or Xbox to see if the problem persists. Check your internet connection as well. A stable connection is crucial to avoid interruptions while loading the game. On consoles like PS5 and Xbox, try clearing the cache or data for WWE 2K24, as this can help resolve any corrupt files causing the error. If none of these steps work, consider reinstalling WWE 2K24 to fix any corrupted game files that may be causing the error. Additionally, don't hesitate to reach out to the game's support team for further assistance if needed. They may have additional troubleshooting steps or fixes specific to your platform. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the load failed error and get back to enjoying WWE 2K24 on your PC, PS5, or Xbox in no time.